Hi, good day. This is Ken Lau. Well, today I want to show you something called icon set. So, icon set is something like this. There's a bullet right beside the numbers. So it can tells you that the yellow is between the 200 and 300, the value, and the red is below 200. Okay, so the red is 163 is below 200. Yes. But hey, how come this green doesn't work? So let's go and delete. Let's go and check that this right because that this is not right. So I go to that step by step and change it. So we're going to clear the rules from the selected cells. Okay, so there are no rules. So what happened is that whenever the value is above 300, we put a dot right beside it with color green color. So how to do that? Highlight the areas, go to Home tab, Condition Formatting, choose Icon Set, and go for a shape. But that can create a misleading information because that we want the value which is above 300 only goes to green. But now it appears doesn't work that way. So let's select the area, go back condition formatting, choose manage rules and select the cells and click edit rules. And over here, change this to number. Now, according to this list, if it's above 300, it's gonna be green, and in between 200 and 300, it's gonna be yellow, and below 200, which is here, right? 200, and then it goes to that. Okay, in between that, and that's all. Click OK. Apply. Now watch this that. Right, 278 no longer in green. Click OK. And that is how you use icon set. Thank you.